The new pope that is born from Rwanda, more especially the country found in the how can I say it, in Africa, as they say that Africa, it should not be having cardinals, popes. There is no black pope that is needed in the world, but today Rwandans have elected their own pope, who will be named as Saint Pope or Harerimana Faustin. They are planning to give him the pope's name called Saint Francis. First Saint Francis. And let's look at are there some problems that will be faced by these people who have elected the Pope Harerimana Faustin? Are there some challenges that will the country face after not punishing these people? And what will these people who elected the Pope as Pope Harerimana Faustin face? On the worldwide, I think this will damage the name of Catholic Church in the whole world, because both the Pope Leus is just shivering, and the priests and these priests are different parishes in the world, different dioceses in the world. The entire world, especially Rome, is shocked after hearing that there is a new Pope selected or elected from Rwanda. And this action will just take the name of Catholic Church down. We don't know if there are going to be two popes in the world. Catholic churches going to, I'm calling them churches because now they are two, because this group which has elected the Pope, they are saying that they will not be out of Catholic Church, but what they have done is to elect their own Pope as Harerimana Faustin. So when you listen to their speeches, you find that maybe it is going to be like a branch of Catholic Church. Now I don't know if the real Catholic Church will allow his brother Abato with brother Pope Harerimana Faustin to work under. A Catholic Church investigates the new group claiming to have selected a new pope. The selection of a new pope in Rwanda has caused many problems to the entire world, to the entire country, and the people who have been found in that action. So the Catholic Church worldwide, as the Pope Leo himself and his delegation have started the investigation about the electing or the selection of the new Pope in Rwanda. This was announced recently that in Rwanda there is a certain group from Catholic Church of Rwanda who sat down and discussed and found out that they have to select their real Pope. The Pope is said to be named Saint Harerimana Faustin. That is what it is saying, that as the new Pope is always given the Pope name, today the Rwandans have elected the new Pope, who will be called Saint Francis, Saint Pope Francis, as it is mentioned as these people who elected him. When you ask these people or this group, or the group is called Abatowe. When you ask Abatowe group why they selected the new pope, they just say that the reason as to why they have selected or elected the new pope is that God gives them the mission, gives them the message to deliver to the people, and when they take it to the priests, they don't give them time, they don't give them ears to just deliver the message, and they complain that instead of giving them time to display their message, they just sent the message to Rome, and it delays their message. And they continues to say that as to the reason they have elected the new pope, maybe it's some things, there are different things that they don't agree on. For example, the elected bishop is or elected pope is allowed to have a wife, and when you look at him, he is having a family and children. So they say that a new revision, a new revised the church, a new revised the Catholic Church, and this has brought different problems to the families of the people who have tried to elect the new pope in Rwanda. It is in the first history of the world whereby the Africans try to, how can I say, it's like removing the new pope from the underground and put him on top, just trying to say that the pope that is leading Catholic Church does not read well. That's what maybe the group who elected the new pope were thinking about. And let's see what the problems that are going to be faced by these people who tried to, how can I say, who tried to elect a new pope. And after seeing the problems that they will be facing, we will first say that nothing we can do on it, but only God is going to determine who is really